Today I want to talk to you about our membership and particularly one of the products within the membership.
As a preferred partner of HomeBinder, we're able to offer this great product to anyone with a home. The HomeBinder is a portion of your membership plan, yet it has great value all on its own. Use it to track home maintenance items, record and find home pros to work on your home, perform a recall check on appliances, and document paint and fixture schedules during projects. Basically, get your home in order. And another great feature is the seller's report. When you go to sell your home, you'll have something to print out to put on the counter for the potential buyer that shows all the work that you've put into your home and how well you've maintained your property. What a great advantage for any seller. So go to homeprojectcenter.com/academy to become a member. Prices are $14.99 a month or $120 annually. But currently we are building the membership. So for you early birds that want to be a part of this as it grows, type in early bird, one word, at checkout for an additional 25% off the annual rate. If you would like to purchase the HomeBinder as a standalone item, go to homeprojectcenter.com/store. $35 and we'll get you set up and it's yours for life. This opportunity is being brought to you from the Home Project Center by Wooten Construction. Check us out online or give us a call, 337-447-4144.